Sending your tokens from one exchange to another may sound or seem like a very complicated process. However, it doesn't have to be when you know how to use protocols like Hop.Exchange. So in this guide, we will be moving Ethereum from the Polygon network to Optimism. Let's dive in. Okay, so before we get started, you probably want to have the currency that you want to transfer over from Polygon network onto Optimism. So I went to quickswap.exchange. This is the exchange I use on Polygon. I transferred some of my USDT into some valuable Ethereum. So now let's actually go on Hop.Exchange. Once we're here, we can see that it has a nice clean interface and we can actually use this button to go to the app. Now, once we're here, we actually want to connect our wallet. I have the MetaMask wallet installed, so once you click on the Connect Wallet button, you can see that you can select a wallet. I'm going to click on Show More, and then there is the MetaMask icon. So let's click on that to connect our wallet. So it's going to ask you to connect with the MetaMask, and I'm going to click on the desired account that I want, and then click on Next and Connect. Okay, so since I'm going to be sending over Ethereum, I want to choose Ethereum from this list. So now we can see I have on the From section, Polygon, and I'm going to Optimism. Now you can see that we have the wrapped Ethereum. I'm going to click on the max amount so I can send the max number of wrapped Ethereum I have onto the Optimism network. Now, once that happens, you can see that the numbers are updated down here. I can see the amount of fees that I'll be paying in Ethereum and the amount received. Now, as you can see right here, there are fees associated, and I don't have enough Ethereum to cover the fees, so the estimated that I'll receive is about 0 Ethereum. Now, in your case, you probably want to have a greater number of funds to send before you actually send over the funds, because if you don't have enough, the fees are going to eat up your estimated received amount. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about their fees, there are AMM swap fees of 0.04%, slippage fees, bonder fees of 0.18%, the destination chain transaction fee in the form of gas, and a minimum of $1 fee. Now, if you want to find out a little bit more about the fees associated with Hop.Exchange, definitely head over to their FAQ section where you can find a detailed breakdown of their fees. Now, in this demo, we can actually go ahead and approve. Once I hit the approve button, you can actually see that a pop-up appears to allow the site to switch to the network. So if you're not already on the Polygon network, you'll be prompted to do so. Now, this approve button will allow Hop to spend your wrapped ETH on Polygon. You'll have to do this for every new token that you approve and try to exchange on the Hop.Exchange. So I'm going to hit on approve, and then we can confirm the transaction on here. Once that's approved, it will go through the transaction. I did have to confirm it on my ledger since I have my MetaMask connected to my Ledger Nano device. Now, since I lost all my money degenning on some stupid farms, I don't have enough money to send over. But in your case, once you approve, you'll actually have the ability to send your tokens over to the Optimism network, and that'll be in a separate transaction. Once the second transaction is confirmed, you should see your Ethereum on Optimism in no more than a few minutes. Now, Hop Protocol can be a very useful tool if you don't have any funds on a chain like Optimism. Just make sure you have enough funds to cover the fees attached with using Hop to bridge your funds over. Now, that's all for this video. I hope you guys learned a little bit something about DeFi and you know how to bridge your funds from the Polygon network onto Optimism. If you have any questions about DeFi at all, please do join us on our Telegram channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. And as always, guys, stay safe in the DeFi space and have an amazing day.